In this short video, I want to show you how anyone can defend themselves from potential threats with this highly effective self-defense aid. By targeting the weak points on the dummy, you can see that the Peace KEYper can be an effective tool to incapacitate or shock an attacker, give you a chance to escape. Peace KEYper works great for grab escapes, holding it in a hammer grip with the wings open, the tiger grip, and let's say for instance, someone grabs me from behind around the waist. Boom! Right there in that thigh, boom! Or their groin area. Let's say they grab me around the waist here, and their hands are here, taking this grip, taking the key here, pushing down into the top of the hands, using that support grip there to drive it. Say someone grabs me and picks me up from the front, a bear hug, they've got me here, taking that right there with that pinch grip and going right under the chin. Here, and pushing under that chin with that pinch grip. Also, if I've got it held in a hammer grip, he's got me here, coming at the ear, neck, temple, anywhere like that. Great for escaping grab holds.
What is your Peace KEYper?